Stop wasting your day. You think you're productive, but most students are doing it wrong. They study, but they don't see results. They plan, but it feels chaotic. Today, I'll show you the perfect daily routine for students. Follow this step by step and see the difference. Wake up early, not too late. The earlier you start, the more calm your morning. Drink a glass of water right after waking up. It wakes up your body and your brain. Stretch or do 5 to 10 minutes of light exercise. It gets your blood flowing and energy up. Eat a healthy breakfast. Something simple but nutritious. Prepare your desk and materials for the day. A clean desk makes a clear mind. Start your first study block with a clear goal. Decide exactly what you want to finish. No phone, no social media, no distractions. Focus for 50 minutes. Work in short bursts and take notes. After 50 minutes, take a 10-minute break. Stretch, walk, or drink water. Then go for another study session. Consistency beats long, distracted study hours. Eat a clean, healthy lunch. Don't skip it, don't eat junk food. Take a 20-minute walk after lunch. It refreshes your mind and body. Do a quick review of what you learned in the morning. Even 5 to 10 minutes of review makes a big difference. It helps you remember and understand better. Start with the hardest subject in the afternoon. Your brain is fresh after lunch and review. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 to 50 minutes focus study, 5 to 10 minutes break. Write notes in your own words. Teach the concept to yourself or someone else. Explaining makes your brain remember longer. Repeat for the other subjects. Spend 30 minutes on physical activity. It doesn't have to be heavy. A walk, jog, or light exercises are enough. Clears your mind and improves focus. Drink water and stay hydrated throughout the day. A healthy body supports a healthy brain. Review all your notes from the day. Highlight important points. Plan your tasks for tomorrow. Write them down. Relax and read something enjoyable. Avoid your phone before sleeping. Give your mind time to rest. Even 10 to 15 minutes of calm reading makes a difference. Go to bed at the same time every day. Sleep is not optional. A rested brain learns faster. Avoid screens and loud noises. Turn off lights and relax. Even deep breathing for 2 minutes helps you sleep better. Follow this daily routine consistently. It may seem small at first, but it builds big results. Wake up early. Drink water. Focus on studies. Exercise. Review. Sleep. Start today, follow it step by step. And soon you'll see the difference. You're not doing it wrong anymore. This is your perfect daily routine as a student. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like thumbs up. Comment your thoughts below speech balloon. Don't forget to subscribe for more content bell. And share this video with your friends Sparkles.